Okay, it's time to migrate the first generation of iPhone SE. It is a classic phone, and not to be confused with my other video that I called it a 5 SE, which I was wrong, and I'm sorry. Peace to all you guys out there, and thank you for the comments to help me to understand. We're going to take the iPhone SE data and migrate it to the 13 mini. Woo! That's right. It hasn't even been turned on yet, so let's go ahead and turn on the mini and see what's going on here. Let's see how much power that they send it with. Usually they're pretty loaded, and so I'm just being hopeful in this video that we can just continue this video. Otherwise, there will be a jump cut. Okay, so we start out and there's a bunch of hellos and a bunch of different language because we all know that the iPhones are essentially, oops, this went off. We just have to bring that back on. So let's just bring that one back on. And if we could just bring that back on, we go through the startup process of the new iPhone. And the data migration is very, very simple. It's actually quite beautiful. So set up, bring your current phone near this phone. It tells you essentially, so you bring your old phone, the SE, close to this one, which is as close as it can get without giving it a kiss. And we go forward. So, and if your other phone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this iPhone, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. Is Bluetooth turned on? We can take a look and just swipe down, oops, swipe up and go into settings and make sure that it is on. It is now on. So let's see if all of a sudden it will see it. We need some Apple magic here. Oh, there it is. Continue to use your Apple ID. Boom, continue, yep. Turn on, Wi-Fi will be turned on to continue setting up, continue. And it's connecting. Oh, look, and you get this like cool stuff going on. So now we got to hold this phone up to this cool looking thing that looks like from the Matrix. It's all your data there, boom. So that's all you have to do. Okay, and then the Bluetooth was essentially it, just that your old phone had to be just on essentially. There was no connecting to Wi-Fi on this one or anything like this. So enter passcode of your other phone. So, and again, that's just for privacy purposes, everybody. So now it's now going to be just looking, and now it reads. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. So it's going to go on and on and on like this for a little while. So let's let it go. Now, one thing is make sure that your original phone is totally loaded up to like 100% as much as it's got in it, or have it plugged in while the process is going, because this can take up to an hour sometimes. So now we have to do a facial ID process, which we're going to do now so it can recognize, and we're going to do a continue. And we're going to do a little bit of a fun little trick here where you got to like put your face in front of the video and come close in. And you kind of swipe your head slowly to complete the circle up and down. It needs to get to know your face. Zuckerberg really wants to know. Apple wants to know. Google wants to know. But iPhone wants to know. So once that's done, the facial recognition is complete. It can take 2 times, I noticed. And now it's asking to transfer it. It's saying 10 to 15 minutes. Let's see if that's true or not. And we're just going to continue the migration process of the SE, which is one of the most classic phones ever. There is an SE2. This is an SE1, by the way, just so that you understand that. In this process, you want to agree. And to continue setting up the Apple ID so everything syncs from this way to this way. Okay, make this new phone. Here's everything set up. You had it on your other apps and data and settings. Continue. And previous cards. Yeah, we want to just continue to move everything over, right? And now we need to add the security. Oh, I guess we're just going to have to go back. Here, let's just set up it later in wallet. Okay, share with Apple. That's a decision. We don't like to share data all the time. And now it's officially that. It's okay to set up, your wallet later again. Maybe you have new cards. I suggest requesting a new credit card every single year. So now it's the wait time. Just wait for these 2 bars to move this data over to this. Isn't it great? No plugging in, no moving data, no having to go into your cell phone company and get them to do it for you. It's that easy. Okay, so you'll have to power on your new phone. It does shut off once the transfer is complete, just so you know that's normal. And then it reboots and resets things up. But it reads on your old one, transfer is complete. Your data has been transferred to your other iPhone. Before you trade it in, give it away, or sell your iPhone, you should completely erase your old one. Make sure of that. There is a formatting setting in the settings. Easy to find out. Maybe I'll put a link in the description below how to do that. Okay, here we go. Transfer is complete. You know, let's take a look now. No SIM card is installed. So if we want to do that and bring it in, boom, bada bing, definitely not my face. Here we go. Doop. Voila. So now it says no SIM card. So you want to take the SIM card out of your old one and put it in the new one. If you want to, we can do this example just so that you can actually see using this little device, which you've probably got from many iPhones before. And you got to take it apart. You see there's a little thing in the side of it. Now, just so you know, I'm going to say up front, my last SE that I did, and I tried this, it does not work. You have to go into your provider and get them to set something up on your account and give you a new SIM card. But we will try this anyway, just for demonstration purposes. And let's see where she is. Okay, here we go. Boom, bada bing. Put it back in. Let's see if she works. This would be amazing. And boom, bada bing. Let's see, could we actually make a phone call? Could we make a phone call? Mobile data, cell phone. We'll have to make a phone call, and let's make a phone call and see if it calls me. Well, apparently you don't need a new SIM card from Bell. With TELUS, I did. It worked. This thing actually works immediately, so you don't have to actually do that. So success is ours. Now, if you want to sell this device, of course, you got to format it. You can go into your settings and format this phone, then sell your phone. Make sure to do that. But essentially, the 13 minis are set up and ready to go with no new SIM card needed. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or check out these 2 other technical videos you might find interesting, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another video.